Reconciling a refund from a supplier in Xero is a crucial step in maintaining accurate financial records. To begin, ensure you have already received the refund from your supplier and have a copy of the refund receipt or invoice. First, log into your Xero account and navigate to the Accounts Payable section. Locate the specific invoice for which the refund was issued and click on it to open the invoice details page. Next, click on the Add Payment button at the top right corner of the invoice details page. In the Add Payment window, select the bank account where the refund was deposited and enter the date the refund was received. Then, enter the amount of the refund in the Amount field, making sure to use a negative number to indicate a refund. You can also add a reference or description of the refund in the Reference field. After entering the refund details, click on the Add Payment button to save the changes. Xero will automatically update the invoice status to reflect the refund. To complete the reconciliation, navigate to the Reconcile tab in the Accounts Payable section. Select the bank account where the refund was deposited and the date range in which the refund was received. Xero will display a list of all unreconciled transactions, including the refund payment you just added. Match the refund payment to the corresponding bank statement line by clicking on the checkbox next to it. Finally, click on the Reconcile button to complete the reconciliation process. Xero will update the invoice and bank account balances to reflect the refund, ensuring your financial records are accurate and up to date. By following these steps, you can easily reconcile a refund from a supplier in Xero and maintain accurate financial records. Regularly reconciling your accounts payable and bank statements is essential for catching any discrepancies or errors and ensuring the financial health of your business.